Let's start off by making some mango syrup for our waffles with chopped mangoes on top. So we're going to go ahead in with a teaspoon of the brown sugar. I'm just going to cook this down until it's soft and creamy. We'll go ahead in with a teaspoon or two of water. That's about it right there. That's all you need. And we're going to go in with just a tad bit of cinnamon. Just a little bit, just to give it a little flavor. About a half a teaspoon is good. We're going to go ahead and give that a good stir. And we're just going to let it cook down with our mango. Oh, if y'all can smell how good this smells right now. And this is going to go on top of our waffles once it cooks down. Yes, just let it cook down until it becomes creamy. As you're making it, just steady smush it down. Just keep smashing it. It's going to be like a mango preserve on top of your waffles. So just keep smashing them down. It's going to get all creamy. Just keep smashing, you guys. It's going to be really delicious. There you have it, you guys. Our mango preserve. And of course, it's got little chunks of mango in it. That's what you want. And we're going to put these on some waffles. So delicious. Mango preserve on our little baby waffles. Look how yummy, you guys. And there you have it. Mango preserve, little bites of heaven. So delicious.